Here at IP Australia, we're working through a rebuild of our transactional services and digital platforms. This will reduce your processing burden when dealing with applications, renewals, and correspondence. For many firms, integrating with our existing B2B channel just isn't practical, while using our e-services platform can require you to copy and paste data from your own case management system. So we're building new API-based solutions that'll make it easier and more effective for you to connect your system with ours and help ensure all Australians benefit from great ideas. Imagine if your case management system allowed you to file by simply pressing a button and receiving instant confirmation of receipt. Imagine receiving feedback and correspondence within your own case management system without needing to log into e-services. We've been looking at better ways we can structure and share information, making it easier for us to work with you and for you to work with your clients. We're also creating an opportunity for the IT industry to innovate and build solutions for IP professionals and rights owners in firms of any size. But we shouldn't do this alone. By helping us understand your requirements, you'll help us build APIs and solutions which meet your needs. We're establishing several reference communities, and if you're interested in finding out more or being involved, visit our website.